Hello everyone, Beth with Pearl Treasure Designs here once again with today's challenge collaboration. We're going right into the crafting today, but we will have more to say about our wonderful hosts and co-hosts later on in the video. So let's head to the craft room and see what's cooking. A special shout out to Lolly D's Creations for the great idea for the candle light. You'll get to see that further on in the video. Well, here I'm getting ready to prepare the outside surface of the candle holder. It is a cement or ceramic type of holder, so I am cleaning it with first the baby wipes, and then I wiped it down with the alcohol, as you can see here with the rag. And now we're getting ready to set it up for the Mod Podge for the napkin that I chose for this project. So you can see the floral arrangements, and I did decide to iron it to take out all of the folds in my napkin, and you will get to see more of this as I move on into taking the napkin apart. So here I am starting the Mod Podge. I did choose to use the outdoor Mod Podge sealer, as I do plan on having this be an indoor-outdoor piece for the patio and kitchen table. And with that, I did end up using a little tiny bit of water to spread this over the napkin, since it is thicker than the original Mod Podge. And it did help that napkin lay a lot flatter to that surface of the candle holder. And as we go along here, I did end up having to piece it together. I just thought it looked better without having too much busyness. And then I covered the entire surface with the same technique of adding Mod Podge and then water to smooth out any ridges that might have come from the brush or excessive Mod Podge sealer. And you'll get to see that going on into the final reveal. And a word for our sponsors. Welcome to the Napkin Exchange Challenge with the Mystery Project Exchange, hosted by Sunflowers and DIYing with co-host Miriam with Craft with Miriam. Please be sure to look at their links in my description box and visit their sites. Like, share, and subscribe to the channels. They're wonderful, wonderful creators. And now for the final reveal. So here's the final reveal, y'all. I did use floral foam to lift up the candle that I had in there with lavender picks, as well as the jute ribbon. My daughter wanted something hanging off the side of the candle, so we added some of the purple flower picks from the dollar store. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. A big shout out to all my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, it's free. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button and share with all your friends. I really would appreciate that. Now, for all of you that might need spiritual support, please go to pastorbethkelly@gmail.com, or you can also find me at Pastor Beth Kelly at Beth Kelly Podcast on YouTube. Listen, folks, we're all in this together.